Hello YouTubers, okay, I plan on doing my first pull. Alright, here's Light of Destruction, and let's see what I get. Security code card, that's nice. Limit reverse. Jinzo-returner, decent. Miracle flipper, deformation, cross porter, sanguine swamp, and the lady in white. Pack 2. I only got 6 real cards. Never mind. Alright. Pack 2. Hero Mask. Arcana Force 4, the Emperor. Limit Reverse. Interplanetary Invader A. Samorg, the Bird of Ancestry. Hopefully it's better than the original. Arcana Force 7, the Chariot. Dice Try, Deformation, and Raging Cloudian. Worst pack I've pulled. I like my first one better with the Dark Freed, but hey, we all get our bad pulls. Alright, bye.